Fixtureworks One-Touch Fasteners reduce setup time for frequent changeovers of production machinery in packaging, food processing, printing machines, or assembly and checking fixtures. The quick-release fasteners offer tool-free operation that provides secure clamping. The fasteners are quick and easy to lock or unlock with just a quarter turn of the knob or a push of a button, allowing for rapid changeovers. Many types of one-touch fasteners are available, including heavy-duty, low-profile, retractable quarter-turn fasteners, as well as button, pin holding, and other versions. The breadth of options provides the versatility to address a wide range of use cases and allows clamping forces as high as 400 newtons. The design also provides users with a visible indication of the locking status, and position sensor receptacles are available as an additional option that uses a green lamp to indicate clamping status.